touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's J Shelby. So today I'm just showing you guys how I achieve these loose beach wave curls. Really easy hairstyle, and I achieved this hairstyle with just a flat iron. And the hair that I'm wearing is from Evas Venu. It's the Malaysian Body Wave. But I'm not going to talk about that right now because I'm going to talk about that at the end of the video. So just stay tuned and watch how I achieve this hairstyle. Really quick hairstyle. It took me 7 minutes to do this. Probably not even 7 minutes, like probably like 6. But just stay tuned and enjoy. Mwah! Okay y'all, so that's how I got these voluptuous curls for the girls. I'm gonna give y'all some details on this hair because this hair is utterly amazing, and I'm not even just saying that, I'm dead ass. Okay, so straight to the facts. This hair is from a company called Evas Venu. So I have 3 bundles and a frontal in my head. I forgot the inches, so I'm gonna look at this paper really quick. I think it's an 18-inch frontal, but I know what the bundles are. So the bundles are 18, 20, and 22, but I think it's an 18-inch frontal. I'm not sure because they don't have it on this paper here. So this is my first time having a frontal, and this is my first time having Malaysian, because I always got either Indian or Brazilian. Never had Malaysian, so Evas Venu, y'all pop my cherry, okay? And with the frontal thing too. So I constructed this on a wig cap. So I used a dome cap and I just did the basic sew down your frontal, and I glued on my track. I didn't feel the need to film that part because I didn't know what I was doing, because it's my first time having a frontal, and I feel as though, like, why should I tell y'all what I'm doing when I don't even know what I'm doing? You feel me? But I decided to film the curls because I feel like this is an easy and quick, just messy to go style that, you know, y'all want to know about. The bundles, they came so thick. When I tell y'all this hair is super soft, it's super soft. I know I say that about all the hair that I get, but this hair is really soft. I'm not even joking. Like, run my fingers right through it. No tangling, no shedding, no nothing. Like, oh snap, oh no, that's a part of my wig earlier, never mind. And like I said, I did use 3 bundles. Well, not the full bundles though, because I have a lot more left. Like, I have a lot, and it's still thick. Like, says a lot about the hair. They did have some amazing packaging, you guys. Like, the hair came in this is so pretty. I felt like it was so pretty and so professional. So if you have some leftover hair, you just stick it right in this bag, and you know, you got you some storage, you feel me? The frontal did come pre-plucked around the edges or whatever, but I did have to go inside the part and like pluck that, you know. I did pluck that because it was a bit thick. But as far as the front, like, you will not have to touch the front, I promise you. Yeah, I will be wearing this for like my during the week hair. And I will be coming back to you guys, letting you know how the hair is like holding up and how it's doing and everything. I'll be doing a follow-up review. Actually, I'll be doing 2 more follow-up reviews. So I might color the hair. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. Oh, let me tell y'all about bleaching the frontal. So it has nothing to do with the hair, but bleaching frontals is like the hardest thing I've ever had to do in life. Like, I might be over exaggerating, but it's hard. It just wasn't working for me. It was seeping onto the hair and everything. You can't see it because I've hidden the bleach well, but it didn't get on like the hair too much, but it did get on a couple of strands. Like, how do you stop that? Let me know if you have some type of insight on that. But yeah, you guys, so Evas Venu, everything will be in the description box. Go shop their hair. Like, shit is amazing. Do I lie to y'all? No, I do nothing but bring y'all affordable and good hair. Okay, good hair that's gonna last you. Turn up with the shopping. Turn up with the shopping. Add that hair to that cart. Add that hair to that cart. Okay, that's where y'all be. But yeah, y'all get it. Before you click off this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna be uploading a lot. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.